Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a zip to your dress, to your blouse and what have you. I realize that most people find this very difficult to do. Even when I started, it was so difficult for me until I learned it in a right way. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a zipper to your clothes with so much ease. Alright, I've already gone ahead to sew this piece of fabric which we'll be using. Alright, and the part I folded in here is where we are going to be placing our zip. So I'll open up my zip this way. And then place on my fabric, and this part I ironed in is where we are going to be sewing our zip. Is where we are going to be sewing our zip. Okay, so the part I ironed it, I'm going to bring it out this way. You know, when you are sewing, is good side to good side, right? I've said this time and time again. So you make sure the back side of your zipper is facing you. All right, so you pin it on that straight line you ironed in like this. Please make sure you pay attention to how I'm pinning this so you don't place your zip wrongly. So make sure the back side of your zip is facing you, and then the good side is pinned to your fabric on the good side as well. All right, please pay attention to how I place this zipper. All right, so when you are done pinning this part, you turn your fabric to the back side. You turn it to the back side, and then you bring your zip in like this, and then you open it up. The part you ironed it on that line, you open it up, is good side to good side like I said earlier. So you open that part, you open it up like this, and then you pin it to the good side on that line you ironed in. You pin it all the way down. Please pay attention to how I'm pinning it. All right, as you can see, it's good side to good side. I'm pinning it. All right, you open it up and then you pin it to the good side. The back side of your zip is facing you. Okay, then you pin it all the way down. So when you are done pinning, when you turn it to the good side, this is what you will have. This is how it's going to come out. All right, so I will just close it up for you guys to see. You see how it's looking so beautiful with just pin. I have not even sewn it and it's looking this nice. Okay, so I'll just show you guys something. When sewing your zipper, make sure you sew on that tiny smooth line in between your zip. Okay, there's a tiny smooth line in between your zip. That is where you are sewing. Okay, so I'll just go to my machine and sew it and then come back to show you guys. Okay, so I've already gone ahead to sew. So this is the outcome. This is how it's looking, so beautiful, very neat and beautiful. You see how it's looking so beautiful. Let me just open it up for you guys to see. Look at it, so beautiful. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do right here, this excess we have up, we're not going to leave it like this. I'm going to open it up and then fold the excess into the fabric. Okay, so that we can cut it out. I will just open this excess we have up. I'll open it up this way and then fold it into the fabric this way. Please make sure to pay attention to how I'm folding it. You fold it into the fabric this way and then you close it up with the fabric like this. I'm very sorry, this video is kind of shaky. I did this video at the shop, so I didn't have my camera stand with me. Somebody held the camera for me, so that is why the video is not really stable. It's kind of shaky. I'm sorry. Probably I will do another video on this particular tutorial. I'll do another tutorial on this zipper tutorial and then upload for you guys to see again. Okay, so you fold this excess into the allowance. You fold it in like this and then you close it up with the fabric. Let me just pin it and show you guys how I folded it. So when you fold the excess in, this is how it will look. Okay, it's looking so nice and beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and sew on that place I pinned down. I'll go ahead and sew on the place I pinned down and sew it like this, and then I'll come back and show you guys. So this is it, all sewn and looking so nice and beautiful. So this is all. So this is the trick, all right? It's very easy. When you learn this trick, you will find it so easy to, you know, attach your zip to any of your, you know, dress, blouse. And so this is it. So simple, right? Like I said, this video is not really that clear. It's not really clear, so I'll have to redo this video again and then upload for you guys to see. And this time I'm going to make it very clear and for you guys to see. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.